Good morning, my dear children. Today we'll discuss the consumption function in the chapter Determination of Income. And the consumption function, I have explained it earlier, as it is a positive function of income. That is, consumption increases with increases in income. As per Keynes, relationship between income and consumption is based on psychological law. Isn't it? With increases of the income, consumption does not increases in the same proportion of the increment of income. Because how much income increases will save a part of income. So the consumption does not increases in the same proportion as income increases. But increases in what proportion? Is it greater than proportionately, or less than proportionately, or equal to proportionately? That increase can be explained by the marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume explains the relationship between marginal income and marginal consumption. So, the marginal propensity to consume explains the increases in the consumption. So, whether the consumption has increased, it can be explained only through the marginal propensity to consume. The next one is average propensity to consume. It is also the same as marginal propensity to consume, but what is the change means? It does not indicate the changes in the consumption, but it is the ratio of the amount of the consumption to total income. That means for a certain income, how much consumption? Only a ratio it shows. So it can be denoted by average propensity to consume equals C by Y. That means how much consumption is there in related to that income. Here the APC has been explained through a problem. That is, here the numerical solution is like this. The level of income is given as rupees 1000 crore and the consumption expenditure is rupees 750. So APC, as per the equation, it is C by Y. So what is C here? 750 divided by 1000. So what is the answer? It is 0.75. Right? So this is for the given level of income 1000 crores and for the consumption expenditure 750 rupees. And you assume or you suppose that if income increases to rupees 1200 crore and the consumption rises to rupees 900 crore and APC here is also 0.75. That is same at all levels. So hence APC is the same at all levels of income. So the APC will be always the same at all levels of income. So children, I hope it's clear for you through numerical solutions they have explained well. So APC and the MPC, you have to understand the differences also. MPC indicates the changes in the consumption. That is, the equation is delta C by delta Y. Okay, yes. Now here it is given in this slide, saving function. So we have studied the consumption function. Along with that, we have to study the savings function also. And you know that the income is for two purposes, one for consumption and the next one for saving. So it is a counterpart of the consumption function. And the Y, you know that the Y is the alphabet used to indicate the level of income, and C is for consumption and the S for saving. Therefore, savings equals, it is the function of income. Saving rises at increasing rate at upward movement of the national income. If consumption function is given as C equals A plus BY, saving function can be derived as. So the consumption function C equals, it is A plus BY. So that is given as if it is. This is the equation for the consumption. So we have to substitute that value here. So savings function means that is Y equals, we are using income either for saving or for the consumption. So we have to substitute. To find out the saving, we have to bring the income to this side. So S equals Y minus C, or if you substitute the C, that is C equals A plus BY, right? So here what we are doing, S equals Y minus C. So we are substituting that value. So at last, that is, it is derived as B equals MPC. So the letter B is used to indicate marginal propensity to consume. So that is MPC. So if the consumption function C equals A plus BY, the savings function known as S equals Y minus, we have to substitute the value C, and at last we will get the solution, the answer as minus 200 plus 0.25y. That is, at last after this the solutions, we will get the answer as like this. So this is regarding the consumption function and the saving function. So the income is spent either for consumption or for the savings. So if we substitute that values for the Y, we can derive the saving functions also. So children, I hope it's clear for you. Thank you children.